playing Hot Wheels Racer,
and we are here with me, Gaming Bro number 1, and him, Gaming Bro number 2.
So let's get started.
Let's get started with the game. See you in the next shot.
Okay guys, we're back. We're about to play. Gaming number 2 is ready to play. I have to tune it up. I have 3 cards. This one. I might play this again, guys. Comment down below which one you want me to use. But for now, we're using tune it up. It's a bit laggy. I died straight away. It's Gaming Bro number 1 turn now.
I'm the best at this game. I always beat him. 3, 2, 1, go. I always get past that part.
Same place.
Yeah, true.
Maybe it's
okay. 118 meters. He has to at least try beating 118 meters.
Maybe it's laggy.
And soon we're gonna be a giveaway. We don't know what we're gonna make giveaway, or we don't know what. Oh my God! We need 1,000 coins. Rambo.
Oh man!
Straight away.
Did I beat him?
118.
I did beat him.
Wait. Yes, he beat me.
Oh
He
yeah!
definitely beat me. It's my turn to see that. I think I got you.
That's fantastic. Please no. We should make a live gaming.
I'm running out of fuel, so I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna die. I ran out of fuel.
I ran out of fuel. At least I beat him.
You beat me. Go.
Yeah.
Not always run out of fuel.
At least
I always jump over, and sometimes I always get it when I run out of fuel. I wish I could show you. It's on level 2, I think. Can I show them?
Don't do that.
Okay. Comment down below if you want us to show it.
Oh, an ad. It's gonna start glitching out.
We're gonna fix it. We're gonna pause this and fix it. Guys, wait.
Oh, you okay, Dex? I'm gonna quickly do something, guys. So we'll see you in the next. You might see our home screen, but we'll try it.
Guys, gaming number 1. Gamer. Okay, just for that. He's gone to move the TV, and now he's back. Okay, let's go play. My brother's gonna come and interrupt. I know. But 10, I'm not recording every time I play. Gamer number 1, no. First game. Okay, It's gaming.
Gaming number 2 gave me another try. Gaming number 2 gave me another try. Oh, we got a stock chest. Coins.
Yes, we have 1,000
We
coins.
got 2,000 coins.
We got 2,155. Sorry, guys, that's my mom talking my language. Just forget that.
Yeah.
You might-
21 hours left till the next one. So
You can try to speak our language.
some of you do.
Speak our language. You can go, translate on Google Translate. Our language is Somali. Oh yes, you beat him. You beat him. You died.
No!
Just one left and it fell
That
out.
last one annoyed me.
I need to get this much time. It doesn't look enough. I just got a few left. Yeah, I can look this. Not that. Oh no, I'm not looking this one. Speed. I'm looking this one. Great. Upgrade speed.
Oh, now we might be quicker.
Yeah, the speed a little bit less.
I got my tactic.
No. Same place like always.
I got tactics. So basically, my tactic is when we're in air, I press the brakes, which means I land quick, safe, and speed.
Guys, if you want to download this game, it's called Hot Wheels Racer. I said it in the start before, but I said it. Oh. It's not about beating, guys. It's about if you go to the finish line and you go to the next level.
I
That's
broke.
what I think. He's sad because he broke. Are you okay? I had to break him out. Safe and sound. No. I broke.
He died.
I broke my car. Why?
The next game we might be playing. What is it? Sniper CD or
Avengers.
or Sausage Run. We might even do a big video on live stream. So, guys,
Nah. Guys,
we're sorry, but we have to wrap up the video. So,
I hope you guys watch this video.
so please like,
Subscribe.
and please turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a video.
And
of
share it
these
with friends
games.
and families.
Yes. So, guys, peace out.
And see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.